So the students come here, learning how to make the music instrument, learning how to dance, and then when they go finish their study, they can train another people. So TOT, training of trainers. So they can continue to train people. So this is the technique, the strategy of this museum. We give you Bitonas, no matter you like or you don't like. In Nias, we don't see this one. This is a very important thing in Nias. This is like a door. When you want to enter the heart of Nias people, you have to provide the Bitona. If you start speaking,